Sony engineers spent years perfecting the PS5 Pro's cooling system. Nintendo obsessed over the Switch 2's portability. But here's what they both missed. The device you touch most isn't the console, it's the keyboard. Click, clack, click. That sound? Not just satisfying, it's engineered precision that console manufacturers completely ignore. While Sony perfects 120 FPS gaming and Nintendo masters portable performance, a $200 keyboard can have more individual moving parts than their entire controller. Because here's the hidden truth. Console makers engineer the experience. Peripheral makers engineer the obsession. Behind that minimalist slab is manufacturing discipline that would make console engineers jealous. Tolerances measured in fractions of millimeters. Switch science so precise it could confuse your engineer friend. And quality control that tests every single key 50 million times. So when console giants leave billions on the table, who picks it up? Let's find out, key by key. Picture this. $700 PS5 Pro, $400 Nintendo Switch 2, and a $20 membrane keyboard from 2018. The Keychron K1 Kickstarter revealed a massive blind spot. Gamers would spend premium money on console performance but accept garbage input experience. $300,000, 4,000 backers. Proof that console makers left money on the table. Today, Keychron ships to over 80 countries. Console manufacturers created the gaming ecosystem. Companies like Keychron complete it. When Sony designs a console, they think, how do we deliver 4K gaming? When Keychron designs a keyboard, the question is completely different. How do we make every single keystroke feel intentional? But here's the fascinating part about keyboard design psychology. That QWERTY layout everyone uses? Designed in the 1870s to slow typists down, prevent typewriter jams. We're still using 150-year-old inefficiency because habit defeats logic every single time. Console manufacturers test for thermal performance. Keyboard makers test for something more intimate. Does this feel right under your fingers? Because while your PS5 might last 7 years, your keyboard relationship could last decades. Sony spends millions engineering custom silicon. But here's what they miss. Premium feel isn't just about performance specs, it's about material psychology. Console manufacturers would choose ABS, cheaper, functional. Keychron chose PBT for something consoles never consider, how plastic feels after 6 months of daily use. ABS develops that greasy shine. PBT maintains its dignity. Your PS5 Pro controller uses the same basic membrane switches as controllers from 2010. Meanwhile, mechanical keyboard switches evolved into a science. Linear for smooth gaming, tactile for typing feedback, clicky for that satisfying dopamine hit. The PS5 Pro motherboard is a marvel, but it's designed to be assembled once and never touched. Your keyboard PCB? It's designed to be a platform for obsession. Every Keychron frame starts with precision that would impress console engineers. CNC-cut aluminum or polycarbonate with tolerances that make the difference between good enough and can't stop touching this. Pick-and-place machines drop components with console-grade precision, but for a completely different purpose. Console PCBs handle power and heat. Keyboard PCBs handle something more personal. Consistent electrical response across 87 individual mechanical switches. While console manufacturers seal everything behind warranty stickers, Keychron builds for tinkerers. These little metal sockets are the difference between consumer electronics and enthusiast platform. The pre-wired circuit board must align with laser precision. Console assembly allows tolerance. Keyboard assembly demands perfection, because any misalignment affects the typing experience forever. Every finished keyboard undergoes testing that would make console manufacturers jealous. Each key pressed and tracked for actuation force, response time, and consistency. Not for latency. That's console territory. This is about the satisfaction of every single keystroke. Your PS5 Pro controller has maybe 12 input buttons. Your Keychron keyboard? 87 individual mechanical switches, each engineered for 50 million plus actuations. Console controllers are designed for gaming sessions. Mechanical keyboards are designed for people who live on their computers. Console manufacturers standardized input, same feel across millions of controllers. Keyboard enthusiasts demand choice. Linear switches for rapid gaming, tactile switches for typing feedback. Each spring tension calibrated for different human psychology. Console makers tune controllers for broad market appeal. Keychron tunes switches for individual preference. And once your brain learns to expect that perfect tactile response, going back feels like downgrading. Just ask anyone who's tried switching from mechanical to membrane for a week. Console manufacturers test for market acceptance. Keyboard manufacturers test for individual obsession. Because your relationship with your console is emotional. Games, memories, experiences. But your relationship with your keyboard? That's physical, daily, intimate. Even the unboxing reflects the philosophy difference. Console packaging protects and excites. Keychron packaging creates an experience that extends the relationship. Because this isn't just a peripheral, it's the beginning of an obsession. So here's what Sony and Nintendo's engineers missed. The most important component in your gaming setup isn't the one with the most processing power. It's the one you touch most. Console manufacturers engineer experiences that last hours. Keychron engineers relationships that last years. Because while your PS5 Pro might impress your friends, your keyboard has to impress you every single day. That's not just manufacturing philosophy. That's understanding what console giants never quite grasped. The device that feels most premium isn't always the one that costs most. Sometimes it's the one that knows you best. The next time you dock your Switch or boot your PS5 Pro, remember, someone engineered every click you'll make. The question is, did they engineer it for performance or for you? And that same question applies to the screen you're staring at right now.